Hi everyone, it's Miss Mangine here. In this presentation, I will go over the rules and regulations for GO and class elections for the 2021 and 2022 school year. Officers are needed for the following clubs. GO, which would be seniors only, the class of 2022, the class of 2023, and the class of 2024. The positions that are available for each of these clubs are president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and historian. Before we get into the eligibility to run for office, I'd like to discuss the difference between GO and class office. If you are a class officer, your main focus will be fundraising. You will help your club and your class fundraise for things like junior prom, senior barbecue, selling class apparel such as senior jerseys, homecoming, and trick or treat street, and many more. If you are a GO officer, your main focus will be community service. We do things like homecoming, trick or treat street, toy drives, food drives, blood drives, senior citizen dinner, teacher appreciation week, student elections, and many more. Okay, so if you would like to run for class office, students must have a GPA of 85 or higher, must have a clean discipline record, and must have participated in community service activities with their class, another club, or sport prior to running. Please note, students who have not participated in any community service activities will be able to run for any vacant positions. So what this means is that if all of the positions are accounted for, then students who have not participated in any community service events will unfortunately not be able to run. If you'd like to run for GO, students must have the same GPA, 85 or higher, must have a clean discipline record, must have been an active participant with the junior class. So students who have not participated with the junior class and would like to run will be able to run for any vacant positions. So same thing for class office. If there are no vacant positions after all of the applications are in, then unfortunately students who have not participated with the junior class will be unable to run. So if you'd like to run for office, there's a couple of things that you have to do. First step, we need to join Remind and Google Classroom. Our Google Classroom code is this, and our Remind code is that. Reason for this, it is imperative that we are able to reach you. Students who do not sign up for both Remind and Google Classroom run the risk of not being eligible to run for office. We need to be able to contact you if we need to talk to you or if there's an issue with your application. So Remind is number one, and Google Classroom is where you will fill out the application. Step two, once you've joined Remind in Google Classroom, you're going to apply and wait for confirmation. You will fill out the application using this Google form link by Friday, May 21st. We will look over your application and verify your academic standing, your 85 or higher, your clean discipline record, and your community service. We will contact you by Friday, May 28th via Remind to let you know if you're eligible to run for office. Step three, create a campaign video. Once you've been approved, you will be required to create a campaign video. Campaign videos must be between 30 seconds and 1 minute. The purpose of the videos are to showcase why you deserve the position. You must explain what you have done for your class or community, or what you plan to do if elected. Please note that campaign videos are not a platform to speak negatively about other candidates, your school, or to share your political views. These videos will not be accepted and will result in disqualification and potential disciplinary action. Your videos must be emailed to Miss Montana at amontana@mccsd.net for review and approval. Videos are due no later than Tuesday, June 1st, 2021 at 2 p.m. Voting will occur on June 7th in all social studies classes, and results will be announced on June 9th during the morning announcements. That concludes our election presentation. If you have any questions regarding the process, you may reach out to myself, Miss Mangine, or Miss Montana, as we are the GO advisors. Our email addresses are here. If you have any questions regarding any of the other clubs, the senior class, the junior class, or the sophomore class, please reach out to these advisors using their email addresses listed here. And if you'd like to join the club and not be an officer, please reach out as well, and I'm sure the advisors would be happy to let you know what you can do to get involved. All right, that's it, guys. Have a great one. See you soon.